Hi there. So, bro, honestly, JKSSP typing practice has become part of my personality at this point of time. Like, whenever I open laptop thinking that today I'll do accounts, and somehow I always end up fighting with the backspace key for like 40 minutes. And the worst part is, like, one small spelling mistake like ruins the whole mood. Like, you're typing at the full speed and feeling like some government office machine, and then suddenly words like that types as TAHT from, such a simple word, types as FORM. And you know what happens to me then? Finished. Confidence completely gone. Career is like oof in the air. So, yeah, today I thought I'll show you guys how I actually practice typing daily for this junior assistant exam. And my actual practice with mistakes, with frustration, and with restarting the test like for 17 times because 17 is my favorite number. Now, the real reason, because my accuracy drops a lot. And if you're preparing for JKSSP, trust me, you'll relate to this. So, first, I don't directly start speed typing because if I do, then मेरी fingers जो हैं वो कुछ अपनी ही कहानी लिखने लग जाती हैं. So that is why I warm up for like 5 to 10 minutes. Simple paragraphs, nothing some fancy like stuff. Because मेरे हाथों को थोड़ा टाइम लगता है अंडरस्टैंड करने में कि बेटा अभी और ज़्यादा आपको तड़पना है. So yeah, coming to my this main point is that always focus on your accuracy, because earlier I only focus on the speed and I used to think that बस 60 words per minute आ जाए like life set है. But honestly, accuracy is the real villain, because one extra letter, one missing full stop, one random typo and JKSS be like congratulations, start again. So yeah, the funniest thing is कि easy words जो होते हैं ना वो सबसे ज़्यादा hard बन जाते हैं for me. I don't know why, but होता है ऐसा. सो नॉर्मली हम लाइक स्मेल ऐसे इजी वे में कर लेते हैं, बट जैसे जैसे लाइक फ्लो बना होता है जब, देन दीज वर्ड्स दे आर नॉट टाइप्ड करेक्टली. सो इसलिए मेरा ब्रेन इट रिजाइंस. And I know like many JKSSP aspirants are also going through the same shit right now, and some people are stressed about merit and about some typing, some about the accuracy and negative marking. So like everybody right now is fighting for survival at this point, honestly. And इस टाइम पे ही रिलेटिव्स आ जाते हैं, कुछ आस पड़ोस के लोग आ जाते हैं. दे आर लाइक सिलेक्शन कब आ रहा है, एंड आई एम लाइक आंटी प्लीज़ फर्स्ट लेट मी सर्वाइव द टाइपिंग टेस्ट भी छोड़ो, रिजल्ट तो आने दो पहले. So yeah, leaving all that shit, how you need to practice. So usually what I do is first warm up and then I do the time typing test. Mostly 5 minutes वाला भी चलता है, कभी कभी I do full 10 minutes also. But if you're new, I would suggest go for the 5-minute test, because abhi you have to make gradually your stamina. And what happens with me in the beginning, my fingers become fast, and then after 2 minutes, like 2 minutes, 3 minutes and 5 minutes, they start behaving like कि वो जो गवर्नमेंट की खटारा मशीन्स होती हैं उनकी तरह, या उनकी वेबसाइट्स की तरह. सो ऑनेस्टली या some days are just horrible, like speed also drops, accuracy drops, ऊपर से मूड भी ड्रॉप हो जाता है, सब कुछ एक साथ ही होता है. सो वन थिंग आई रियलाइज्ड इज़ दैट कि आप करते रहो अपनी तरफ से. एक्यूरेसी इम्प्रूव स्लोली, वेरी स्लोली, एंड कंसिस्टेंसी इज़ द की, because nobody wakes up suddenly and typing 80 words per minute perfectly. Most people improve by making hundreds of annoying mistakes daily. So yeah, this is basically how I practice typing daily for JKSSP Junior Assistant. I'm still improving, still struggling.